We ran into an old friend. It's Cody.
What's up, everybody?
And you are Touch Innovations now.
It's happened.
It's your baby. And this is it right here. This is the Matrix. This is Minority Report. This is Cody's baby. It's virtual DJ. It's really anything though, right? It's any DJ program you want to use.
Yeah, so really it's running still on Windows 10 platform, so virtually anything that you can want.
Right.
Virtual DJ's latest version works great. We have the multi-touch template. Tons of other templates too, but Tractor still works as well. We've got lighting applications. We're doing more in gaming. We've also got some really cool new designs.
Yeah, look at this stuff. Check this out.
So these are for the more fixed permanent solutions, for the more elegant scenarios.
I like that.
And then we've also got this guy. This is the DVS-X. So you all remember the DVS? We're bringing it back into a much more new design.
Nice.
So lots of new fun stuff. And just,
Put your screen back on. I want to do the front. Is that hot? Look at that. Pulls into that case real easy too. That's an eye catcher. That's a huge eye catcher.
And it's still fully collapsible, so it's still designed, but it's much more robust.
Oh, look at that! Oh my God! So it's a screen and there's a projector down here, and it's glass and it's cool, and I dig it. I dig it. I dig it a lot. Thank you. We're gonna do more on this. We're gonna get involved. I like it. It's fun, and it's Cody, and that helps.
Thanks, Brian.